children. How are you all? I hope you are all good. పిల్లలు మీకు కథలు వినడం ఆటలు ఆడడం అంటే ఇష్టం కదా. మీ స్నేహితులతో చిక్చుక్ రైలు గేమ్, అష్టాచెమ్మ, కుర్చీ పరుగు, పజిల్స్ గేమ్ వంటి ఆటలు ఆడతారు కదా. ఈ ఆటలు ఆడేటప్పుడు మీరు ఏ వస్తువులను ఉపయోగిస్తారు? ఓకే, ఆట బొమ్మలు, చింతగింజలు, పుల్లలు, రాళ్ళు వంటి వస్తువులను ఉపయోగిస్తారు కదా. మరి వీటిని మీరు ఎలా లెక్కిస్తారు? ఎస్, మనం వాటిని గ్రూపులుగా చేసి ఒకట్లు, పదులలో లెక్కిస్తాము. ఈరోజు మనము వస్తువులను ఒకట్లు, పదులలో లెక్కిస్తూ సంఖ్యలు రాయడాన్ని నేర్చుకుందాం. Children, before going to the class, let's do this activity. I hope you are all excited to do this activity. In this activity, I show to you how to make a bundle of 10 sticks. Here, I have some loose sticks. I want to make a bundle of 10 sticks. Let's start count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here I have 10 loose sticks. Let's tie these sticks together. Now a bundle of 10 sticks is ready. Children, today I brought you a new lesson. Get ready with your textbook and pen. Look at the page number 8. The chapter name is Numbers from 10 to 99. Now we are going to learn counting the bundles of 10 sticks and loose sticks. Now I have one bundle of 10 sticks and one loose stick. Can you say how many tens and ones are there? Yes, 1 tens and 1 ones. Total sticks 10 plus 1 is equal to 11 sticks. The number is 11. Now I have one bundle of 10 sticks and 2 loose sticks. Children, can you find how many tens and ones are there? Very good. 1 tens, 2 ones are there. Total sticks 10 plus 2 equal to 12. The number is 12. Now I have one bundle of 10 sticks, 3 loose sticks. Can you say how many tens and ones are there? Very good. 1 tens, 3 ones are there. Total sticks 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. The number is 13. Now I have one bundle of 10 sticks, 4 loose sticks. How many tens and ones are there? Very good. 1 tens, 4 ones. Total sticks 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. The number is 14. Now I have one bundle of 10 sticks, 5 loose sticks. How many tens and ones are there? Very good. 1 tens, 5 ones are there. Total sticks 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. The number is 15. I have one bundle of 10 sticks, 6 loose sticks. How many tens and ones are there? Yes, there are 1 tens and 6 ones. Total sticks 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. I have one bundle of 10 sticks and 7 loose sticks. Total sticks 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. Can you say how many tens and ones are there? Very good. 1 tens, 7 ones. The number is 17. I have one bundle of 10 sticks and 8 loose sticks. Can you say how many tens and ones are there? Very good. 1 tens, 8 ones. Total sticks 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. The number is 18. I have one bundle of 10 sticks and 9 loose sticks. How many tens and ones are there? Very good. 1 tens, 9 ones. Children, let's count this. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. The number is 19. Now I have one bundle of 10 sticks and 10 loose sticks. It is a group of 10 sticks. Let's tie this together. Now I have two bundles of 10 sticks. Children, can you say how many tens are there? Yes, there are 2 tens. The number is 20. Children, now we have learned counting the numbers from 10 to 20.
Children, look at the page number 10. You can count the numbers from 10 to 20. Let's learn counting the numbers from 21 to 30. One bundle of 10 sticks means 1 tens. Two bundles of 10 sticks means 2 tens. Children, see the first row. We have 2 bundles of 10 sticks and 1 loose stick. Can you say how many tens and ones are there? Yes, there are 2 tens and 1 ones. Now we have 20 sticks and 1 stick. Total sticks 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. The number is 21. Students, see the second row. Here we have 2 bundles of 10 sticks and 2 loose sticks. Can you find how many tens and ones are there? Yes, there are 2 tens and 2 ones. Total sticks 20 plus 2 is equal to 22. So the number is 22. Children, see the third row. In the third row, we have 2 bundles of 10 sticks and 3 loose sticks. Tell me, students, how many tens and ones are there? Very good, children. There are 2 tens and 3 ones. Total sticks 20 plus 3 is equal to 23. The number is 23. In the fourth row, we have 2 bundles of 10 sticks and 4 loose sticks. Can you say how many tens and ones are there? Very good, children. There are 2 tens and 4 ones. Total sticks 20 plus 4 is equal to 24. The number is 24. Students, I have written the correct numbers from 21 to 24 in the given boxes. You have to write the correct numbers from 25 to 30. Children, look at the page number 11. You can count the numbers from 1 to 30. Now let's learn count the numbers from 31 to 40. Students, see the first row. We have 3 bundles of 10 sticks and 1 loose stick. Can you say how many tens and ones are there? Yes, there are 3 tens and 1 ones. Total sticks 30 plus 1 is equal to 31. The number is 31. Students, see the second row. We have 3 bundles of 10 sticks and 2 loose sticks. Can you say how many tens and ones are there? Yes, there are 3 tens and 2 ones. Total sticks 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. The number is 32. Students, see the third row. We have 3 bundles of 10 sticks and 3 loose sticks. Can you find how many tens and ones are there? Yes, there are 3 tens and 3 ones. Total sticks 30 plus 3 is equal to 33. The number is 33. Students, see the fourth row. We have 3 bundles of 10 sticks and 4 loose sticks. Tell me, students, how many tens and ones are there? Yes, there are 3 tens and 4 ones. Total sticks 30 plus 4 is equal to 34. Children, I have written the correct numbers from 31 to 34 in the given boxes. You have to write the correct numbers from 35 to 40.